In today's video, I'm going to teach you to create memorable information in Halifax. By the end, you'll know exactly what memorable information is, why it matters, and how to set it up clearly and confidently during registration. Start by heading to the official Halifax website or opening the Halifax mobile banking app. From there, begin the registration process. This is the standard onboarding flow that gets your profile ready for secure online and mobile banking. Take your time on each screen so you understand what's being requested. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login details such as your chosen username and your password. Keep these credentials private and create them in a quiet, secure place. A strong password that you alone know helps protect your account, and your username should be something memorable to you without revealing personal details. After that, you'll see the option to create your memorable information. This is an extra security layer used to verify your identity in certain situations, like accessing features or confirming sensitive actions. It isn't the same as your password, and it shouldn't match or resemble it. When choosing your memorable information, pick a unique word or answer that you can easily recall, but that would be difficult for someone else to guess. Think of something personal to you that isn't publicly known. Avoid obvious choices like your birth date, simple words, or anything visible on social media, such as pet names or favorite teams you frequently mention. Consider using a personal association that only you would connect with, or combine two unrelated words with a subtle twist so it sticks in your memory. Once you've decided, enter your memorable information exactly as you want it recorded. You'll then be asked to confirm it. Carefully retype it the same way, paying attention to spelling, spacing, and any capitalization if applicable. Consistency here prevents login hiccups later. When the confirmation is accepted, continue through the remaining registration screens and complete the process. Follow any on-screen prompts until you reach the final confirmation. That's your signal that your profile is fully set up and your memorable information is securely in place. And that's it. Your memorable information is now ready and will work alongside your username and password as an additional safeguard for your Halifax account. Keep it private, don't reuse it elsewhere, and only enter it on the official website or app. If you're worried about forgetting it, consider using a reputable, secure method for private record keeping. With that done, you're set up for a safer, smoother Halifax banking experience.